Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel. This channel is about providing demos and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, welcome to a EdTech Tutor talk on TedEd. We can create and manage lessons for different subjects and age groups. When you log into TedEd, you're at the Discover screen. So you discover lessons by subject and perform a search and see how people had set up the other lessons. Let's click on Create. You can create a lesson. You can do educator talks or student talks. Let's create a lesson. So enter a search term or a YouTube URL. If you already have a YouTube link you want to put in here, you can just copy and paste it. If you don't have a link, we can just search for a subject. We'll search for math. And these are the search results that come up. We just click on the YouTube video we want to use. Click continue. Okay, we're set up. Now we can talk about adding additional content. So let's begin. Click on let's begin. Introduce your lesson in a few sentences. So this is some class lesson objectives and learning outcomes. Okay, just a sample. Save that. Okay, we're going to click on Think. So we can add multiple choice or open answer questions. So let's add some multiple choice to test learning knowledge. What is it? What is a division table? So we can see the correct answer will be in green. We can choose as many as we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if we only want 3, we can delete that. Okay. So this is incorrect. Okay. We can add a video hint if we know where in the video the answer is. So we have a video timeline we can add where we have the answer to help the students. Click Save. We can add another question. Okay, we have 2. Okay. Click on Dig Deeper. Add some more information for your students. We can add more links. We can add some pictures. So let's add a link. Oh, we can add an image. This is supplemental information. Please go to Google Classroom lesson and download the table of division. Okay. We can add discussion. So prompt, what did you learn from this lesson about math? Describe 2 learning outcomes. And finally, we can summarize using closing statements of your lesson. Did you learn about pi? Math is fun to do with many tips, with many tricks of addition and multiplication tables. Save. Okay, so once we're done, we have to click publish. Your lesson has been published. Students require TedEd accounts or don't require TedEd accounts. So don't require. Share your lesson. Share via email. And we can talk about our subject, or we can just copy our lesson link right here. So copy clipboard. Send. We would say test@aol.com. Close. Okay, now that we're in TedEd, we can look at all our lessons. I've created 2 lessons. We can look at a particular lesson, review student work. Click on the lesson. We can walk through this lesson. I want to show you the notifications at the top. So notifications are which students view your lesson. So we can see Veronica viewed this lesson and all the feedback and discussions. We don't have anything for this, but we can definitely do feedback. I'm going to paste my link in there in the top bar so we can look at how the lesson came out. Math videos, how to learn basic arithmetic. So as a student, I will watch this YouTube video. Just click the play button and it'll play through.
In this video, we're going to focus on just some basic topics in math.
You play through the video, you watch, you go to think. What is the division table? The student will answer what they think it is. Correct. Okay, next question. Say my answer. Incorrect. That wasn't it. You try again, or video hint. Dig deeper. So what additional sources you want students to explore? Discuss. What did I learn from this lesson? So view discussion or start discussion. So I'm going to view discussion. Okay, respond. I learned how math works with the video tutorial. Click respond. And now this student has responded to this question. And finally, we can do some math concepts and summary. Did you learn about pi? Math is fun to do with many tricks and addition. So this is a summary of your lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this edition of EdTech Tutor Thank you for watching our many episodes. You've earned a gold star for the day. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel.